Welcome to Sunny Tropical Serviced Apartments. Let's take a look at your apartment during your trip to Saigon. Spacious living room with flat screen TV. Electric water heaters in every room. Each apartment has good Wi-Fi and cable TV. You can enjoy the beauty of Saigon from your quiet living room, which has a flexible design with a comfortable sofa. Every living room has a high-quality refrigerator. Dining table for your meals. Air conditioner in every room. Clean kitchen for self-serve cooking. Fully furnished. Contemporary decoration. Nice bedroom with a large bed. Tidy toilet with hot and cold shower. Let's enjoy the rooftop infinity pool at Sunny Tropical, which has a modern design looking out on the city skyline. We also have a pool for your kids. A well-appointed fitness center with quality equipment and a professional trainer will help keep you fit during your stay. 24/7 security and a taxi service, as well as a convenience store next to the building, assure maximum convenience. Make reservations today for special discounts from Sunny Tropical.